Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Many of my family members, we all fall sick recently due to this RSV. Is it called RSV virus? Pretty bad. It's not deadly, but it has a lot of flu symptom, fever, very bad. So anyway, I just want to cook something that will actually try to stir up our appetite. And this is one of our family comfort food, yeah, very easy to make. Let me very quickly show you how to do it. First of all, I have about 1.2 kg of yeah, pork leg here. This is probably I think this is a rare leg, yeah, rare leg, about 1.2 kg. I asked the seller to cut it into big chunks for me. Always nice to have it very big chunks. Then you very important, you need to spread this terka. If not, your whole dish will be very gamey. The process is called blanching. I will show you shortly how to do blanching. Yeah, cannot skip. That process cannot skip. You must do it. I'll show you after that. Then let's look at the other of the ingredient. So these are the rest of the ingredient here. I have approximately 500 to 600 ml of sweetened dark vinegar. Yeah, I know a lot of people. Some people they all keep on trying to mix 2 or 3 different kinds of vinegar, but actually you don't need actually you don't need to use a lot of different kinds of vinegar. You only need to use one type, which is the sweetened dark vinegar, and just choose the brand which you already know is good. I'll show you the brand later shortly. That one I recently found. Very, very nice. Yeah, it's the best ever I've ever had. So just go and buy that. And then few pieces of big ginger here. Old ginger, crushed. You're actually are supposed to dry roast it for a bit, yeah, to remove some of the liquid from it, so that it's more fragrant. But today Appa is a little bit under the weather, so I'm not going to do it. I'm going to skip that step. And but still, it's going to taste good. I have 2 pieces of dried chili here to give you a little bit of kick, and some hard-boiled egg, and 2 tablespoons of this is the rock sugar, and of course similar amount of water, filtered water. So if you put in 500 ml of sweetened dark vinegar, you should put 500 ml of water. It's that simple. And I'm going to use a pressure cooker to cook it. All right, before that, this is the most recent sweetened dark vinegar that I found, which is very, very nice. Maybe I'll try to put the link in either Shopee or Lazada link in the video description. You can get it online. Very, very nice. So it is not difficult to do blanching, but it is super, super important. You must never skip this step, okay? Because this method will help you, or this process will help you to remove at least 90% of the pork gaminess or any kind of meat that you are using. Okay, so first thing you do is prepare a cold water. Prepare a pot of cold water. Put in a bit of Shaoxing wine or rice wine, and few pieces of ginger. Then put in your pork leg. After that, just bring up the temperature. Let it boil. When it starts boiling, you can see all these scums releasing, yeah? All these scums. So these are the gaminess. So after it is boiled, let it boil for a couple of minutes, and then we are going to wash the pork leg thoroughly. Then the blanching process is completed. All right, so this is the inner part of my pressure cooker. Yeah, just throw everything in. That's how simple it is. Put in the terka pork leg. Arrange it a little bit so that it's more even, and then the crushed or bruised ginger, old ginger, yeah. Do you hear my sound a bit different? My voice today. Okay, that's the ginger, and now this is the 2 pieces of dried chili, and this is the rock sugar. Next thing, about 600 ml of sweetened dark vinegar. Similar amount of water, and let's see, is it enough? All right, just enough to cover all my ingredients. Let me show you. Maybe I have to change the angle a bit. Right. So I actually added a little bit of water and also sweetened dark vinegar so that everything inside here is nicely submerged under the broth. Yeah. Then very easy, we send it to pressure cooker and use high pressure to pressure cook it for about half an hour. Done. Very, very nice. Tonkatsu is ready. If you want to use normal pot, then you need to actually bring the everything, the salt, the broth to a boil. Then tune down the fire to medium low and cover the lid and cook it for minimum 2 hours. If you are cooking pork leg, you need 2 hours. Then only the skin will be tender enough. Minimum 2 hours. So if you use a pressure cooker, you will need 1/3 of the time. But of course, pressure cooker have actually have three process, which will not be. And so when I say pressure cook for half an hour, actually you will need almost 1 hour for the whole process to be completed because we have a preheat and also pressure release towards the preheat from at the beginning and pressure release at the bottom. Yeah. So all coming together will be still around 1 hour. So at least you will save half of the time. So here's my pressure cooker. You can use any pressure cooker that you have. Put it in the inner pot. Lock it. And let me see. 压力煮自定义 okay. Custom. High temperature, 30 minutes. Start. That's how simple it is. Let it do its job. Give it total time plus minus approximately 1 hour, but the real pressure cooking time is actually 30 minutes, right? Then it is a very aromatic tonkatsu is ready for your dinner. Alright, this is after approximately 1 hour. The pressure inside has been fully released. Now we can open it. Wow, wow, so super fragrant. Let me show you. Right, look at how beautiful it is. Let me check the focus. Look at how beautiful it is. It is still sizzling. Whoa, super, super fragrant and aromatic right now. Let me get it out from you. Put it into a bowl for you to see. Alright, so here's my very simple tonkatsu. Let me put it a little bit more sauce. Okay, so very simple but very appetizing pork leg vinegar is ready for dinner. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Apa on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.